In today's video, we explore a dream small home designed for a future family, inspired by a typical Parisian layout that balances elegance, functionality, and timeless charm. This home is not about luxury through size, but about intelligence through design. From the exterior facade to the most intimate interior corners, every space reflects thoughtful planning, classic proportions, and a warm atmosphere suited for long-term living. A typical Parisian layout is defined by efficiency, symmetry, and respect for historical spatial logic. Rooms are clearly zoned, circulation is direct, and every square meter is intentionally used. Rather than open chaos, Parisian homes favor structured openness, where doors, corridors, and transitions create a rhythmic flow. This philosophy becomes the foundation of our small home design for a growing family. The exterior of this small home embraces Parisian restraint. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and subtle ornamentation define the facade. Instead of excessive detailing, elegance is achieved through harmony. Soft neutral tones, classic window proportions, and understated textures ensure the home blends beautifully with its surroundings while quietly expressing refinement and architectural maturity. Material selection plays a crucial role in achieving a Parisian feel. Stone-inspired textures, soft plaster finishes, and muted colors create depth without visual noise. These materials age gracefully, reinforcing the idea of a home built for the future. The facade is designed not to follow trends, but to remain relevant and dignified over time. In Parisian-inspired homes, windows are more than openings, they define character. Tall, vertically oriented windows allow generous daylight while emphasizing elegance. In this small home, window placement is carefully calculated to maximize light, ventilation, and privacy. Black or dark bronze frames subtly contrast the facade, adding a refined architectural accent without overpowering the design. The main entrance sets the emotional tone of the home. A simple yet elegant door, framed with subtle molding, welcomes residents and guests alike. The threshold is slightly recessed, creating a moment of transition between public and private space. This Parisian-inspired entry feels intimate, calm, and timeless, reflecting the home's overall philosophy. Unlike many modern homes that skip transitional spaces, this design honors the Parisian entry hall. Even in a small footprint, a modest foyer creates order and privacy. It allows the home to unfold gradually rather than reveal everything at once. This space supports daily routines while elevating the overall spatial experience. Circulation in this home follows a clear and logical path. Corridors are not wasted space but purposeful connectors that organize movement. This Parisian-inspired planning ensures that private areas remain separated from social zones. The result is a home that feels calm, structured, and highly functional, even as family needs evolve over time. The living room becomes the emotional center of the home. Designed with balanced proportions, it accommodates daily relaxation, family gatherings, and quiet evenings. Furniture placement follows architectural logic, leaving clear pathways and visual breathing room. Soft colors, classic profiles, and natural light create a space that feels both elegant and deeply comfortable. Rather than minimalism, this living room embraces warmth through layered textures. Subtle wall moldings, warm wood flooring, and soft textiles evoke Parisian charm without excess. The atmosphere is calm and refined, encouraging slow living. This is a space designed for conversation, connection, and meaningful moments within a small but thoughtful environment. Lighting is treated as an architectural element. Natural daylight is maximized during the day, while layered artificial lighting supports evening activities. Wall sconces, table lamps, and ceiling fixtures work together to create mood rather than glare. This approach reflects Parisian interiors, where lighting enhances intimacy and elegance instead of dominating the space. The dining area is positioned strategically between the living room and kitchen, reinforcing social interaction. Although compact, it feels generous due to thoughtful proportions and lighting. A simple dining table becomes a daily gathering point for the future family, supporting meals, conversations, and shared routines in a space that feels warm and connected. The kitchen follows a practical Parisian layout, prioritizing efficiency and clarity. Storage is built vertically, appliances are integrated, and work zones are clearly defined. Rather than being oversized, the kitchen is highly functional, allowing smooth movement and easy maintenance. This design supports everyday family life without unnecessary complexity. Kitchen materials are chosen for durability and timeless appeal. Soft-toned cabinetry, natural stone or stone-inspired countertops, and subtle hardware create a refined yet approachable aesthetic. The palette avoids trends, ensuring longevity. This kitchen is designed to age gracefully while remaining practical for years of family use. The master bedroom is conceived as a sanctuary. Proportions are balanced, colors are muted, and distractions are minimized. Classic details such as subtle wall paneling and soft fabrics evoke Parisian elegance. This room supports rest and emotional well-being, offering a peaceful escape within the compact footprint of the home. Storage in the bedroom is seamlessly integrated to maintain visual calm. Built-in wardrobes with classic detailing provide generous capacity without overwhelming the space. This approach reflects Parisian sensibility, where storage is discreet yet highly functional. The result is a bedroom that feels spacious, organized, and effortlessly refined. The future child's bedroom is designed with adaptability in mind. Neutral tones allow the space to grow with the child, while flexible furniture supports changing needs. Natural light, soft textures, and thoughtful proportions create a nurturing environment. This room balances playfulness with calm, ensuring long-term usability without constant redesign. In a small home, secondary spaces must work harder. This design includes flexible zones that can function as study areas, reading corners, or hobby spaces. Inspired by Parisian apartments, these areas are compact but intentional. They support evolving family lifestyles while maintaining spatial order and aesthetic consistency. The bathroom reflects understated Parisian elegance. Clean lines, neutral colors, and classic fixtures create a calm atmosphere. Rather than luxury through scale, comfort is achieved through thoughtful layout and quality materials. Every element is selected to support daily routines while maintaining a timeless and serene aesthetic. Soft stone textures, warm ceramics, and subtle metal finishes define the bathroom palette. These materials reflect light gently, enhancing the sense of space. The design avoids visual clutter, reinforcing calmness. This approach ensures the bathroom remains visually fresh and emotionally soothing for years to come. Storage is treated as architecture, not an afterthought. Built-in cabinets, Hidden compartments and vertical solutions maximize functionality without compromising aesthetics. Inspired by Parisian efficiency, storage elements blend seamlessly into walls and furniture, preserving visual harmony while supporting the practical needs of a growing family. The overall color palette relies on soft neutrals inspired by Parisian interiors. Warm whites, gentle beiges, and muted grays create cohesion throughout the home. These tones enhance natural light and provide a calm backdrop for daily life. The strategy ensures visual continuity and long-term relevance. Flooring plays a key role in unifying the home. Natural wood or wood-inspired materials extend across living spaces, creating continuity and warmth. This approach visually enlarges the home while reinforcing Parisian elegance. The flooring is both durable and timeless, suitable for family life. Ceilings are often overlooked, yet in Parisian-inspired design, they matter deeply. Subtle ceiling details, such as simple moldings or recessed profiles, enhance proportion and elegance. Even in a small home, These details elevate the spatial experience without adding visual weight or complexity. Furniture is selected carefully to respect scale and proportion. Rather than filling the home with many pieces, each item serves a clear purpose. Classic silhouettes, comfortable materials, and neutral colors ensure longevity. This philosophy supports both visual calm and practical family living. Decor is used sparingly and intentionally. Artwork, books, and personal objects add character without clutter. Inspired by Parisian homes, decoration tells a story rather than following trends. Each piece contributes emotionally, making the home feel lived in, personal, and authentic. Natural light is treated as a core design element. Window placement, light-colored surfaces, and reflective materials work together to enhance brightness. This approach supports emotional well-being and energy efficiency. The home feels open and uplifting despite its compact size. comfort is not only visual but also acoustic. Soft furnishings, textiles, and thoughtful layouts help absorb sound. This creates a peaceful indoor environment, essential for family life. Inspired by Parisian apartments, the home feels calm and intimate rather than echoing or noisy. This home is designed with the future in mind. Durable materials, timeless design, and flexible layouts reduce the need for frequent renovations. Sustainability is embedded in choices that prioritize longevity and adaptability, ensuring the home remains functional and beautiful for decades. Beyond aesthetics, this home supports emotional well-being. Spaces are designed to encourage connection, rest, and daily rituals. The Parisian layout fosters balance between togetherness and privacy, making it ideal for a future family navigating different stages of life. Despite its size, this home has a strong identity. Architectural details, material choices, and spatial logic work together to create character. This proves that a small home can feel complete, expressive, and deeply personal when designed with intention. Parisian homes teach us that quality matters more than quantity. Clear layouts, timeless materials, and respect for daily life create enduring spaces. This project translates those lessons into a contemporary small home, adapted for modern family needs without losing its classic soul. While inspired by tradition, the home fully supports modern living. Technology, storage, and comfort are seamlessly integrated. This balance ensures the home feels relevant today, while retaining the elegance and discipline of classic Parisian design principles. Flexibility is key to this design. Rooms can adapt, functions can evolve, and spaces can transform as family needs change. This adaptability ensures the home remains supportive and meaningful throughout different life phases. Good design improves daily life in subtle ways. From smoother routines to calmer evenings, this home demonstrates how thoughtful planning enhances emotional comfort. The Parisian layout provides structure, while warm materials create intimacy and belonging. In conclusion, this dream small home proves that size does not limit quality. Through a typical Parisian layout, timeless materials, and thoughtful spatial planning, the home becomes a perfect foundation for a future family. Elegant, functional, and emotionally rich, it is a space designed not just to live in, but to grow with and cherish over time.